Hey everyone, it's Bill. Thanks for joining the video today. I want to give a quick update on where we are with the RV. You saw my previous video with the 1-minute thing showing that we purchased one. I'm going to bring you up to speed with where we are and how it took us a year to pick up a new RV. We cut it into 3 different sections. One is deciding to jump into the RV lifestyle and world. Number 2 is finding the RV that fits us. And number 3 is how we're going to get it on the road. So deciding to jump in, it's all about coronavirus. So if anything good came out of this whole last year and everything going on with COVID-19 coronavirus, it was that we have given ourselves permission to live. Everything can change in an instant. Look what's happened over the past year. The world has changed. We have a big, beautiful country to explore. We want to get out and see it. We figure it's easy to social distance inside of an RV. And we really like spending time together. That's something we've learned. So many great videos and podcasts out there to get you up to speed. Here are a few of our favorites. I've linked every one of these in the show notes below. So please take a look. These are channels that really we found inspiring. Some of them have nothing to do with RVs at all, like Camp Kennan and Casey Neistat over there with Do What You Can't. That's a great video. It's got a little language at the end of it, but I'm telling you, it's worth the watch. And Matt's RV reviews right there in the middle. That guy is a trip. He's fun to watch. He is passionate about RVs. So check these out. These are all really good channels. So finding the best RV, we chose a Coachmen Mirada 35ES. It has great features. It has bunk beds. It has a really large residential sized shower. It's prepped for a washer dryer. We can tow our car with it. It's got this cool feature in the bunk area that turns it into a bunkhouse, an office, or a wardrobe. It's a tiny little office, but it is an office nonetheless. We went with a gas versus diesel. It saves us a few bucks. And it's a big RV. It's a large RV, but it's not huge. This thing is not a 45-footer. It's 37 feet. And I'm still a little bit worried about turning corners in this thing so I don't knock down mailboxes and stuff. But I'm going to take my time and I'm going to learn how to drive it safely. We did find one locally about 40 miles from where we live. The price was right. We made an offer. It was accepted. And here we go. We're going to pick this thing up in a couple of days. So we want to get on the road. We had to buy insurance. It was really a pretty easy process and it's quite affordable compared to a car. We rented a place to store it because our driveway just isn't long enough to park an RV in it full time. We can bring it in to load it up, but we can't leave it here for days on end. So we did rent a place nearby. We are planning an overnight trip just to learn. We want to be able to set it up, hook up the black and gray tanks to the sewer if we can, and really just practice and learn how to use this thing and really start enjoying it. We're having a lot of fun right now buying all the accessories, which I'll show in a future video, all the different things we're buying to prepare for our first trip. Here are a few pictures of the interior of the RV. I promise to give some real tours once we get this thing into our possession. I'll do a tour video. We'll show some other things about the features. I want to go through every nook and cranny of this and I'll share it with everyone here. But this is our Coachmen Mirada 35ES. Thanks again. If you don't like this type of video, that's fine. Give me a week. We're going to start coming back with some other content and something that's more live than a PowerPoint. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you real soon. Bye.